Hello everyone and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open Object Manager in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will need simply to go to the setup and you will find this by clicking on this icon here and then it will open up the setup menu. From here, we will need to click on setup. So basically, you might already find the object manager here, but if you don't find it, you need to simply type object manager in the quick find section. So here we click, we type object manager, and basically we will find this in the objects and fields. By clicking on the object manager, we will be able to successfully open our objects manager. So now that you have opened your objects manager, you can do or you can manipulate any object that you have in your Salesforce organization. So basically, those are the default objects that you already have. So as you can see, we already have 61 uh, objects. And if you want to edit anyone, you will need just to click on these objects. And from here, you can start edit its fields or add new fields, add some record pages, button links, so and action. You can add change their record type or create a new type for records, etc. So basically, the objects manager will allow you to manage all your objects and give you a huge or a big tooling for manipulating your objects in Salesforce. So basically, you will need just to go to the objects and start manipulating and start exploring the objects manager and its features for more information. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.